So we spoke to her before we came in.
On state property, there is no filming, so I'm gonna have to ask you
on
to
state
property.
Well, state property is our property, right? Is that a lawful command?
Shut up. All right. Go ahead.
Driver's license or ID with you, sir?
I'm not giving you ID.
Can I get your name and date of birth?
No. Have I committed a crime? Do you have probable cause?
No, sir.
You can't videotape anything where people's, of course there's private information on there when they fill that stuff out.
Is it public right here?
No, well, it is open to the public, but...
Welcome back to the channel, where justice is illuminated and citizens' rights are protected. Today we bring you dramatic confrontations between citizens who understand the law and police officers who forget that the law is supreme. Many believe that police are always right, but that's not always the case. When police officers act wrongly, citizens' legal knowledge becomes the shield that protects their rights and forces those who abuse power to correct their behavior. Let's watch, learn, and spread awareness of citizen rights so no one can abuse power in front of you. Walpole prison officials violate citizens' rights.
Hey, you gotta stop that, it's not allowed.
Sorry?
Not allowed, shut the phones off and get off the property.
Is this... Yeah,
Shut the phones off and get off the property.
Excuse me, sir, you don't have to...
The video begins with a tense confrontation between power and citizen rights at a Massachusetts state prison. A citizen and their friend arrive to audit the First Amendment, filming public areas to check the transparency of the facility. However, this seemingly simple action quickly faces interference from officials, who show clear concern when confronted with the camera.
Hey, you gotta stop that, it's not allowed.
Sorry?
Not allowed, shut the phones off and get off the property.
Is this... Yeah,
Shut the phones off and get off the property.
Excuse me, sir, you don't have to scream, you know?
You can't, you don't seem to be able to hear me.
We called and asked if it was public or private, if it was accessible to the public.
Get out of here.
We spoke to Sergeant Nelson.
Can we speak to a supervisor, please? Hey, what's going on? How you doing, ma'am? Under what law?
We spoke to Sergeant Nelson, find out if it was public, if it was accessible to the public, if it was filming.
There is no filming, so I'm gonna have to ask you
On
to
state
property.
Well, state property is our property, right?
Is that a
You
lawful
can-
command?
Yes. Yes. You need to...
Do you have arrest powers?
If you would like, you can go back onto Route 1 and you can videotape there.
At the edge of the perimeter?
At the very entrance.
Let me ask you a quick question. Are you a police officer? Do you have arrest powers to the citizens?
Sir, I'm asking you...
No, I'm not trying to have a confrontation. I'm just finding out who you are. And no. We just want to film. We don't have any ill intention. We don't have anything
I'm
bad.
asking you to leave.
No, that's a lawful command. We will leave, but I'm going to call back and speak to your supervisor. Can I have your name, please?
No, she can't give us lawful commands because she can't arrest us. Well, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna call the police, and we're gonna debate this because this is a publicly accessible area, and we don't want you guys providing the public with wrong information.
So you can go out onto the main road.
We'll give
Well, actually, we're gonna wait right there, and you guys are actually violating the First Amendment by doing that. Okay?
Yep.
But remember, you work for the public.
Can I use your bathroom? Is your bathroom open to the public?
Why would you say, yeah, we're leaving, but just a quick question. Why would you say that there's no film? Is it like a policy from here? I didn't see.
This sign that says there's no photography.
Is that like a policy from the Department of Corrections, or is that a law? Can you answer?
It's
Because, you know, if it's a policy, it's just pretty much a personal request. This is a publicly accessible area. You guys can ask, ma'am, no, we're leaving right now. I'm waiting for my friend. But there's no way that we could be trespassing on public property. This is...
According to Chapter 266, Section 120 of the Massachusetts General Laws, trespassing on someone's property without permission is illegal. Specifically, a person entering or staying on another's land without consent can be dealt with. However, this rule only applies to private property. For public property, a person can only be asked to leave if they are committing a crime. In this situation, do you think the citizen committed a crime to be forced off public property?
We're being made to leave a public place, and that's a violation of our First Amendment right and a violation of of our civil liberties. So that's why we'll be so happy to take that order, because then we can really bring the consequences to them. So let's call and find out.
This has been a thing recently.
We've never been here before.
No, we left. We left and we're.
We've never been
What?
here before.
How did we refuse? How did we refuse to leave? How did? No, she's lying. If we would have refused to leave, we would have been out here waiting for you. She's a tyrant. Sir, please uphold the. They're not law enforcement officers. They're correctional officers. Bro, he's gonna side with them.
Well, let's just see. Because she said it's an ongoing
She
issue.
said-
We've never been here before.
She said we refused to leave. Officer, they don't know the law.
We called before we came anyways. We spoke to Sergeant Nelson to ask if it was public, if this is public access, legal to film. When we approached her inside about 60 seconds, we were told we were trespassing, but we haven't been served a trespass notice. He told us that they did not have police powers, we had to contact the police. So we contacted you guys. You guys said that it wasn't, I spoke to your dispatcher, it was a female, said that this was not our jurisdiction, we would have to contact the state police. So we were actually waiting over there.
Can you do me a favor? Can you just
Back
step
off
off?
the
Yeah,
roadway?
because
Yeah.
you're in the roadway.
Yeah, you're right. You're
So
right.
we
You're right.
called state,
So
we spoke to
listen, they're not looking for a problem, but I guess you were causing a little bit of a disturbance.
No, we weren't even
We have it all on
talking.
film.
Were you videotaping?
We have
Yes.
everything on film. We weren't even
So-
speaking.
And we called
Okay,
beforehand.
So
and then
I
we
was
called
just
state
informed that
police.
they have signs posted, no videotaping.
That's
They
fine.
have vehicles
That's fine.
subject to
That's fine. But
search.
those are not
this
laws.
is DOC property, it's state property. They're asking you to leave right now.
Oh my
If
God.
if you could remain across the street from them,
Officer, are you a law enforcement officer or a policy enforcement officer?
No, I'm a law enforcement
That's
officer.
there's no law that states you can't
Okay,
film in a public place
but
on state property. They can ask, but we can refuse.
Okay. So
We're just working on a story.
Can you stay up?
It's
off
our
the
first-
road?
well,
Stay
we
up
just
off
want-
the roadway, because when
we
I
are.
arrived, you were in the middle of the road. So.
Yes.
Yeah, we were talking to them. But you can ask Officer Carville, we were standing off on the grass, not blocking the roadway.
I understand.
And we contacted, before you guys showed up, we contacted police because I wanted to know, no one can tell me who has jurisdiction here. And my question is, if I'm not issued a trespass, I'm pretty sure that I'm correct. That if I'm not issued a trespass, I'm not trespassing. And we're going in there to film. We're not in any secure access points.
But is there
This
any
is-
signs that say no video?
There could be.
There's a sign in
This
the-
gentleman, this officer told me that
There might be a sign. There might be a policy, sir. But policy is not law.
The sign that we did see says vehicles are subject
Policy
to
is not
search
law.
upon entering there. But we didn't have time to look at any
So do
signs
me a
because as soon
favor,
as you
for the
walk in,
time
they
being, so we
screamed
figure
at.
it out. It's DOC property. Just stay off this roadway.
Who funds DOC?
Property.
So who funds the state?
Okay, state property.
Oh my God! All for guys with cameras.
And the other issue, she
This
said
is a
it's
Walpole, Norfolk. You're right on the Walpole, Norfolk town line.
Okay, well maybe they will. Maybe they will. Oh, how you doing, officer? We need assistance. How you doing, officer? Officer, we arrived here. We're working on a story, right? We just wanted to take some pictures of the public lobby. Okay. We contacted the Department of Corrections before we got here, and we were instructed that indeed it was public property. We are allowed to be here in public property and exercise our First Amendment right to freedom of the press. And the lady over here is giving us unlawful orders on video because of the policy of the Department of Corrections. I'm trying to nicely inform her that policy is not law. So it's like, I don't understand why she's trying to trespass me from a public place. We're not causing a disturbance. Everything is on video. We've been extremely cordial. As soon as we walked in, the correctional officer started screaming at us. I was offended by that, because we're actually good at what we do, and we're citizen journalists, and we're not trying to create a disturbance. We're just working on a story. She's giving us wrong information. First of all, we contacted you guys before we got here. Second of all, we contacted the state police before we got here, and they say that we're indeed allowed to be here. They don't even want to come over here right now because
It could be all of a miscommunication or a misunderstanding, so that's what we're going to get to the bottom of.
You guys seem very nice.
All right.
You're very.
we're not trying to. Yeah, we're not trying to create a disturbance. We just want to work on a story that we would like to publish on the Department of Corrections. That's it.
So what we're going to do, we're going to get to the bottom of it. Okay?
Sure.
So what I'm going to have to do is just stay off on the.
Yes, sir.
for just a second, okay?
Okay, no problem. Thank you very much.
Gentlemen, you're all set. Just stay off the roadway. Keep traffic.
Thank you guys.
Thank you, sir. So we're good to film inside?
I got you. I'll come to you, man.
Okay, thank
All right,
you.
Here's what's going to happen. You go to your lobby. You want to record.
Do whatever you got to do, as long as you're not being, you know, rude to people who are obviously going in there, conduct their business. Yeah. You do what you got to do.
Dude,
you know what I mean?
Dude, you're the best.
All right, please be respectful.
That's
what we got to do. You know what I mean?
Because you know what happened?
We don't want this.
You want to know something?
You know,
as soon as we walked in there, they were screaming at us.
Yep. I got you.
We never.
Listen.
You know, I know exactly what the disorderly.
I
know what disorderly.
You just gotta understand.
Nice to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you, sir.
Hey,
I usually don't give my name, but my
thank
name
you
is
so
Josh.
much, Enrique.
Enrique, guys.
Because you guys are.
Yeah, we don't have an issue. Just don't cause a disturbance in there and keep this open.
You know what offends me right now, though? That there's a lot of you guys right here.
Yep.
You guys should be actually looking for, you know,
And you're good.
other things. This is constitutionally protected activity.
I got you.
You know,
Like I said,
you guys,
No, you're doing your job.
you guys get a good salary. How much is all these salaries right here combined? Come on, more than $500,000 for sure.
I'm not
That's our money that they're spending right now by calling you.
You guys do what you gotta do. You don't be respectful, and that's all they're asking. All right.
Thank you.
All right, guys.
Thank you.
Enjoy your day.
Ma'am, that's what we call the walk of shame. Don't treat. Okay, so now we're going back inside, and
I didn't think this was gonna happen.
we're gonna get 3 complaint forms,
Complaint forms.
and we want her name. We never got her name.
Yep.
Hi, how are you? Can I get 3 complaint forms, please?
So we're just gonna get some complaint forms.
Excuse me, we need assistance. We need 3 complaint forms, please. 4. And I need his name and the other officer that was right here when they approached us. I want to yes, I need assistance. I need assistance. No, you can't do that. You can't deny services.
Drew's all set. All right, thanks. Bye.
So the police informed us.
We have the right to complain.
So we need.
So give me a complaint
supervisor
form.
or a complaint form. Because you're a tyrant.
At the end of the situation, there was a serious violation of citizens' rights by public officials at this prison. Interestingly, even after receiving a free lesson, they did not admit their wrongdoing or show any intent to correct their mistakes. This highlights why every citizen must understand the law to protect their own rights, especially in situations involving government agencies. Citizen reports being assaulted, and this is the police's response.
Huh?
How are we supposed to take a report for you if we don't know your name?
Listen, you could take a report of assault. You don't need my name.
What's your name, baby?
You don't need my name. I know the law. And if you don't, maybe you should read up on it.
What's your name?
The next situation may be the most infuriating in this video. At the police booth at 150 Park Row, a citizen legally films from a public sidewalk only to be suddenly assaulted. The citizen quickly reports the incident to the police. Yet instead of receiving support, the first thing the officers do is question the reason for filming and repeatedly harass the citizen instead of helping. Let's review the process of how this citizen was attacked just for filming in a public space.
Federal officer. Touch me. I'm gonna punch you right in your face. I promise you. I promise you. So do it. I promise you I'm gonna knock you the out. And then all your little friends are gonna come and help you. I get my ass beat, but you gonna get knocked the out. I promise that. Clown. You a clown. Yeah, all right, I'm gonna fight. Look at you. Because I'm bringing up assault charges on you. All right. I know you don't care. Clown ass. You're a clown. I'm a sucker. Yeah. So make me leave. Do something. All right, then shut the down. Shut the up. All right. Go ahead. Yo, I want to know who's his superior, because he just assaulted me. He assaulted me. I got it all on camera. He assaulted. Yo, who? I want to know. Rose, thank you, Rose. Now I know. Thank you. Now I know.
Watch your truck. I don't want
Come
you
on,
to
I see the truck. Rose. Yo. Yo, you know what assault is? You know what assault is, you clown?
None of that. But we're trying to.
I could take a picture of anything. You don't have no expectation of privacy. You don't have no expectation of privacy. That's why you in trouble. That's why you in trouble, Rose.
Why is he in trouble?
That's why, cause he assaulted me and I have it on camera. Ain't no come over here. I ain't going nowhere.
No. Come over here.
I ain't going nowhere. This clown.
No.
Yeah.
No. You know, I'm talking to you. So why don't you talk to me?
And I'm telling you that if I need your superior right now.
Okay, he's coming down. Let's talk.
Get me your superior.
He's coming down now. Why can't you?
And I need to know who's his superior. Yup. Cause
No. Why
you clown. Cause it doesn't matter. I'm in public. I could take a picture of whatever I want to take care.
I agree that, but
all right.
You can't just be stepping up to people.
All right. He stepped up to me. I got it on camera. This cockhead stepped up to me.
Listen, you just can't step up to people like that, you know?
And tell him that, cause that's what he did. I need his superior. I need your superior and I need his superior. Yo, I need your superior. I'm the public. I need your superior. Let's see where you going.
Now you're gonna follow us.
Yeah, cause he assaulted me. Just cause.
Didn't I tell you you couldn't do that? You can't do that, man.
Listen, that sidewalk is public accessible. Did you know that? That don't matter. Can you take my assault charges, please? He assaulted me.
I'm not taking any charges.
What the are you serious? Why are you?
Do me a favor.
All right.
Do me a favor.
Why are you doing this to me? He hit me.
Do me a favor.
Sir, he smacked me in my face.
You got an ID on you?
No, I do not. He smacked me in my
name,
face.
Sir?
Why do nothing? He hit me. Why are y'all over here? Huh?
Are we supposed to take a report for you if we don't know your name?
Listen, you could take a report of assault. You don't need my name.
What's your name, baby?
You don't need my name. I know the law. And if you don't, maybe you should read up on it.
What's your name?
It doesn't matter. I want to. My name is Honest Citizen. I'm an honest citizen that just got smacked.
I'll advise you right now, take a walk.
Take a walk? He assaulted me. What is wrong?
Take a walk. This is a secured area.
Yo, are you serious? Who the hell I gotta call? Y'all the police. Y'all work for me. You work for me.
You got an ID on you?
No, I do not. No, I do
You
not.
got an ID yourself? You got to take a walk.
Sir, he is.
What happened with the officers in this situation, folks? The citizen is reporting an assault, and the police should be investigating the incident and assisting the citizen. However, as seen, they demand ID from a person who hasn't committed any crime, and even view the act of a citizen defending their rights as taking a war. They may not realize it, but these reactions are completely inappropriate for law enforcement officers.
Can I know who's his boss? Mr. Rose right here? Officer Rose?
Give me 2 seconds.
I need his boss because he assaulted me. I have it on camera.
I know, I'm gonna watch
He assaulted me and then told me to do something about it. Yeah. That's what he told me and I got it on camera. You a clown. You in trouble, boy. You don't know what you just did.
Relax. We're gonna view it. You got a tape for me in a minute?
But listen, all right, let me say this one thing. If I would have smacked out of him, would you need to see any tape?
You telling me you have evidence, yes?
Yeah, I do. And it's going to be shown in the courtroom.
Can I see what happened?
It's going to be shown in the court. I'm telling you, it's going to be shown in the courtroom.
It doesn't work that way.
Yeah, yes, it does.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, and I'm gonna talk to internal affairs. I was already on the phone with them, and I got camera. I got audio footage of this tyrant.
You can stop grandstanding now and talk to me and calm down, or we're not going anywhere. All right.
All right. Can I have somebody to please take the report?
Listen, I'm the highest ranking guy here.
Okay. Your name is Kaminsky.
So here's how this is gonna work.
Sergeant.
Lieutenant.
Okay.
I want to see the tape of him assaulting so that I can do the paperwork to help him. Now, proceed. Hold on. No.
It's kind of hard from here because you can't hear it good or not.
I need evidence. Okay? That's how it's not what you know, it's what you can prove. I need to see that he assaulted you so that I can do my job. Okay? And I'm going to need your information.
Can I just say one thing?
You can say whatever you want. Sure.
If I would have smacked him, would you be asking for anything?
Absolutely. It goes both ways, my friend. It goes both ways.
Are you higher than this guy?
Correct.
Well, he's a tyrant. And from the beginning he came, I also have it on footage From the minute he came, he was aggressive towards me. And all I'm doing is recording.
Listen, everybody's being aggressive towards you. I'm trying to help you. All right. I need to know. You can sit there and film all you want.
No,
you got a video for me to watch that I can record on my police phone? No problem. Show it to me. I will videotape it. I will do your paperwork.
Where is your base?
Right there.
Do you have a business card or something?
I don't have a business card.
No.
Give you my information. It's not a problem.
Yeah. I want yours. I want his information. I need his information.
Listen, I need your information.
I got no problem with that.
Okay, so we'll change information. It's not a problem.
And like I said, I need his information.
That's fine. We're gonna,
because after
it all goes on a complaint report, big guy. Relax. All right, we're gonna fix this.
After he hit me, he told me to do something, and then he ran in the building.
Right now, I have a he said, she said. It's not a problem.
No, I'm good. Camera says it all. Time is 2461.
What are we doing? You want to show me the video?
It's just I don't want to stop recording because I'm scared of this guy right here.
Yeah, you can keep recording on your phone. We can stand out here all day. You got to show me a video so that I can do the report. You got to show me who you are.
No, like I said, I'm gonna definitely be getting back to you. Saying anyway, I got your name. I got your name.
I'm in charge of security.
Oh, you're in charge of security. All right, so it's you. We're gonna me and my lawyer's gonna be coming back over here.
That's fine. I need for me to do paperwork to help you.
All right, no, I'm telling you that it's okay. You don't have to take it right now. Cause I'm gonna come back with my evidence, cause that's what you're saying. I just don't want to turn off my camera.
No, that's fine. Listen, like I said, I'm based on what you told me that you want to do a report and want to have somebody arrested. No problem. I need to see the video so that I can do my job to help you.
I appreciate that, sir.
Okay, sir.
This guy needs a little bit of training on public photography. Cause he acts like if I'm out here with a shotgun.
It's not a problem. We don't know who you are. We gotta say, guy, who are you? I'm trying to help you, but I need to know who you are. You know, you're taking it personally. It's nothing personal.
No, I'm taking it personally because I was assaulted, sir. I was assaulted, and then he came like a tyrant to me from the beginning. I have it on tape. From the beginning, when he came looking at me, and he wanted me to do something to grab me. He tried to put his hands on me, and he's gonna get in trouble. You're gonna get in trouble. You done messed up, dude. You done messed up. You got the right one.
All right, let's calm down. Relax.
You're gonna have thousands, hundreds of thousands of people gonna see you the way you are. That's what's gonna happen. A lot of people are gonna see you, man.
At the conclusion of this situation, it is clear that the officers failed in their duties. Instead of protecting and assisting the citizen, they caused more stress and suspicion. This further emphasizes the importance of understanding citizens' rights, so you can protect yourself when government employees fail to fulfill their responsibilities. New Braunfels police violate citizens' First Amendment rights due to public discomfort.
If we get further calls, okay, because now that we know what your sign says, and it causes a disturbance, that actually is illegal.
No,
so
it's not.
You're being nice at work. I don't care whether you disagree or not.
The next situation occurs on the sidewalk in front of a camping company in Texas. A citizen exercises their freedom of expression through a banner. Legally, this action is completely protected. However, the police immediately intervene, claiming the message on the sign is inappropriate. Did this citizen actually break the law just by exercising their rights? And was the police intervention justified? Let's find out in this video.
Huh? Why are you here?
It's a concern.
Oh yeah? They can't read?
I didn't see you.
No, they can't read? I'm pretty sure they called you because they don't like the freedom of speech.
Have a driver's license or ID with you, sir?
I'm not giving you ID.
Can I get your name and date of birth?
Nope. Have I committed a crime? Do you have probable cause?
No, sir.
Am I being detained?
What's your sign say? Can I just ask you?
Huh?
Do you mind just asking what your sign says?
It says they screw?
Okay, is that really what it says, or does it say I quote?
Nah, that's an F with a star and a CK.
Okay.
So
sir,
I could actually publish that on TV.
you get the call, okay with the sign, I get that you're upset, you're frustrated with that. Alright, if you want your cameras directly on me, that's fine. But I do like talking eye to eye, if you're good with that, okay? So have you tried to talk to them and settle the whole issue?
I made it all the way to the CEO.
Okay, so this is the thing, alright? We get a call, we get a claim. You're holding a sign that does have vulgar language.
No, it doesn't.
Listen, let me talk, okay?
It doesn't. I've held this sign states in 3 counties.
Listen.
So now
we know what it means, right? We know what it means.
That does not matter. Vulgarity is a legal term. It's a representation of vulgarity, kind of like, you know, on TV when they go beep. No. Is this a consensual conversation?
If we get further calls, okay, because now that we know what your sign says, and it causes a disturbance, that actually
No, it's not.
we're being nice work. I don't care whether you disagree or not.
You
can have your
can't.
day in
You
court
can't.
and disagree, okay?
You can't
But I'm
convert.
saying when
You
tell
can't
somebody
convert
that
my
you've been-
freedom of
you've been-
speech.
Okay, F,
Yeah.
okay, and it offends people, especially like if there's families, and these are all examples.
If there's kids in the car, I close the sign. Yeah, I
Okay,
can.
We know you can't see.
I
Okay?
can.
Right. How many people were in that car that just passed you?
I wasn't paying attention. You were
Correct.
distracting.
Exactly. When we pulled up to you, you focused on us, and you weren't focused on the other cars. You're not focused on these cars passing. You're not focused on these cars exiting.
That's because you're distracting me.
Right. When we pulled up to you. Okay.
No. There was a car right there with 2 people in
He's
it,
just asking you
and I was
nicely.
pointing to the fact that you guys are here, and they called you specifically to violate my right of freedom of speech. Yes, they
It's
did.
freedom of speech until you offend somebody. But
No.
Yes.
No, sir.
Some states, including Texas, have laws against disturbing the peace. However, violations must involve actions like trespassing, harassment, or endangering the community. If the police have evidence that the citizen is truly disturbing the peace, they may apply these laws. However, in this case, the citizen was not engaging in violence or endangering anyone. Therefore, the police's intervention and prevention of the citizen's expression was unnecessary, violating the First Amendment's protection of free speech.
I did not.
So
There's
watch
no
the language.
vulgarity. No.
Watch the language, okay?
Well, you can go yourself.
Okay.
Okay, there you go. See,
Okay.
that's the freedom of
So
speech.
we're going to talk to them if you step on the property.
I have not touched their property line.
We'll talk to them, and if they want you to go to jail, you'll go to jail.
Well, you'd have to trespass me first and then give
I
me
know, that's what I'm
notification,
Right, that's what I'm
which
saying.
is going to be
We'll talk.
harassment since I never touched their property
We'll
line.
talk to them.
Well,
That's what
go
I'm saying.
ahead. You go talk to him, big guy.
All right, no problem.
And what's your badge number?
283.
280. What's your badge number? Yeah.
So either way, as long
So,
as you
are
don't
you
get
under
calls about
oath
you
here
offending
today?
anybody,
Did you?
No, I'm not.
No.
As long as
You
as
didn't
long
take
as
an
I'm
oath.
not in
No. That when you take an
Any other
oath,
questions? No.
how you can go yourself?
No problem.
You're an asshole.
Okay. You have a good day, sir.
Yeah. Goodbye,
Do you need
asshole.
sunscreen or anything?
Nope.
Do you need any water? Because I do have water in the phone.
Yeah, I'll take a water if you really want to. I'll take a water if you really want to give me one.
Okay. You sure you don't want sunscreen, man?
I'm positive.
Okay. Alright, man.
You come back and arrest me. We'll see if your qualified immunity holds up.
You
Yep.
gotta learn that definition first, though, right?
No, I know what qualified immunity. This right here is clearly established right. Clearly established.
At the end of this situation, it's clear that the police issued unreasonable orders. The citizen had every right to express themselves in a public space, even if it made others uncomfortable. As law enforcement, the police must remember they are bound by the law not to impose power based on personal feelings or the discomfort of others. St. Joseph Government Building security staff disrespect First Amendment rights.
If you video recording, you can't.
Is this a public building?
You cannot video record in here.
Is this a public building?
Not video record in here.
You can, sir.
No. That's not what I...
Once again, the First Amendment guarantees freedom of speech and the press, including the right to film and take photos in public spaces, even in government buildings like the St. Joseph Government Building in Missouri. Therefore, if you're just filming in public areas of the building without violating rules or interfering with the work of officials, confidently exercise your right and be ready to defend it against anyone who seeks to infringe upon it.
Okay, the door is locked. Huh? You said what?
You cannot go in that one.
You can't go in there?
No.
It's not a public office?
No.
Oh, okay.
That's private.
Oh, my bad. I'm just going to go to the public office, possibly fill out a sunshine request.
If you video recording, you can't.
Is this a public building?
You cannot video record in here.
Is this a public
Not
building?
video recorded in here.
You can, sir.
That's not what I got told.
You can't go in there.
Okay, I didn't know. There's no sign. I thought it was a public.
I'm gonna go ask Tim.
And it wasn't locked.
Are you one of the First Amendment auditors?
What is that?
I mean, what are you recording?
No, I was just documenting my day while I was here.
Okay, so
That's all.
Yeah, no, you can't go in there. That's employees.
Okay, I didn't know. I didn't see a sign or anything.
Is there anything we can help you with?
No, I was just seeing what offices y'all do have available. Maybe fill out a sunshine request, get a couple business
So
cards.
this is the Family Support Division office.
I just saw some children in there, so I just didn't want to go in
we
there.
got Children's Division in there.
Okay.
Family Support Division, like food stamps, Medicaid.
Recording, I think.
I am recording.
Yes, recording.
Yeah,
Yeah, I'm
okay.
recording.
I didn't know if Crow knew or not. Excuse me.
Yeah.
This is the building manager.
Okay. How you doing, sir? What's your
How
name?
are you? Tim Collins.
How you doing, Tim? Yes, sir. I didn't know that was a private office or anything like that. I actually thought it was open to the public.
Well, the whole building's open to the public. We do have restricted floors. You can't go in that area over there, and you can't go up to the other ones. It's by appointment only.
You can't go upstairs?
No, it's by appointment only.
Oh.
So
okay.
we've got certain agencies up there that if they know you're coming, you can go up there. Any other time you cannot.
Like what's up there? How would you know what's up there if you can't
got
go?
Probation and parole. We've got a thing over there on the wall that tells you where every
I'll probably go
agency's
take a look at that.
Yeah.
What is the third floor?
Well, you got third floor, you got second floor. The things that are on second floor is like probation and parole, highway patrol, things like that. The only one that really allows to go up there is Veterans Affairs.
Is that third floor?
That I think it is on third floor.
Okay.
So Veterans Affairs and Highway Patrol for drivers.
Yeah, I'm not gonna go in no restricted areas, just in the public, sir.
Right.
Yeah.
Can I ask you why you're videotaping?
I was just videotaping my day, just
Okay.
documenting.
Okay.
That's all.
All right.
Fine.
You want
I
to?
ask that you do not record in this
Yes.
office. That's Family Support Division, so there's like privacy concerns there, and then also probation and parole. Just because
Yeah, you can't
those
videotape
privacy.
anything that where people's. Of course, there's private information on there when they fill that stuff out.
Is it public right here?
No, well, it is open to the public, but you can't go in there with that.
Sure you can. I mean, I wasn't because it was some children in there. I just didn't want to.
Well, if they're in there filling out information, you cannot video film them while they're filling out their private information for social.
I acknowledged with the supervisor that this building has restricted areas where public access is limited. However, I disagree with his view that citizens are not allowed to film in areas still considered public. In public spaces, there is no expectation of privacy. If anyone, including staff, wishes to keep information secure or not be filmed, they simply need to avoid appearing in front of the camera and respect others' right to film.
Hey, these guys is tripping. We just taking a look. They trying to restrict the building, man. I'm just going with them to see what they say, but if the elevator let me go up there, I'm going up there. You can't, they trying to restrict public offices. That's wild. That's wild. He just told the guy to follow me.
So if you're looking for the veterans office,
This is a very small office. It look like it's shut down at the moment. They got the window covered.
so the veterans office is down here.
Okay.
I'm not sure if they're open right now.
All right, I'll just take a peek. Just
Yeah,
just
door's
press
shut.
it.
No problem.
Yeah, George.
I got a chaperone.
Yeah, it's
Is this it right here?
yeah. It doesn't look like they're open.
How will we know unless the yeah.
Normally they got their door propped open.
What's down this way? I heard you say this is probably going on the internet. What make you think?
I'm assuming.
You know, I mean, even if you assume that, just make sure everybody, just doing their job.
I'm just assuming.
Be professional. Do y'all escort everyone that comes to the third
sir.
floor?
It's
Just me.
we've had First Amendment auditors here.
Uh-huh.
It's just
And how was that experience?
well, like I said, I gave you the information for our office administration.
Uh-huh.
So contact them.
No, I was speaking about you said some what did you call them?
First Amendment auditors.
Yeah, like, what happened when they was here?
Oh no, they've came in with cameras and they're like, you know, hey, we got the rights to do all this and that.
Right.
And we, you know, basically it's just, we're just always cautious.
And it's a First Amendment. Say that again, 'cause I'm about to look that up.
First Amendment auditors.
Okay.
So
who are you with? Are you just by yourself?
I'm just by myself.
Just by yourself?
Is that fine?
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah. I didn't know that you guys give like chaperones around here.
Well, we want to make sure that you're.
when folks are filming.
Yeah, and for the safety of our people who are in the building.
I mean, I guess they should just have like a metal detector or something like.
Some buildings do. We don't.
I'm kind of lost. What's on this end?
The elevator.
Okay. I guess it was pretty small up here. What's all these rooms with numbers on them?
Different offices.
Different offices.
Can we go to the driver's test on the second floor? It's like a driver's bureau?
You can try, but
like it's a driver's license bureau?
But if they ask
It's
you
not
to
a
leave,
driver, it's driver's testing only. So
Only?
if you're 16 or you come in and take a driver's
Oh,
test.
like that. Oh yeah.
And there are people in there taking
yeah.
tests.
That's fine.
If they ask you to leave, you'll have to leave.
Not necessarily.
I mean, there are people taking tests.
That's fine. I'm not gonna say nothing to nobody. I just want to get a couple, like just some footage, you know?
We understand.
Yeah.
We understand.
I'm not gonna say nothing to nobody. Like,
And we understand. You got it right.
yeah. Like if they taking a test, like what can I do? I'm not giving nobody no answers.
You
man.
gotta just talk with our office administration of Jeff City.
What I'm gonna say to them?
They can give you more guidance.
Yeah.
What
I
you're
already-
allowed, not allowed. So.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, so-
I kind of know what's allowed and what's not.
That's why I
allowed.
give you that information.
Yeah.
So.
I still want to give them a call just to see what they say.
Yeah.
Sure.
We didn't stop on the floor.
Oh. Well, we stopped. I pushed.
You want me to leave?
No.
Well, no, I not
He just
necessarily.
You don't want me here?
No.
Okay,
that's fine.
let's stay.
There, he accidentally hit one.
Oh, okay. How long you guys been up here? How long you been up here, Tim?
5 years.
5 years, okay.
Yep.
You always been like in this field though?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
They'll be over here.
Okay. Thanks for saving me some steps. So, Kansas City, we have a, what is it? Division, vocational. You take a pic. How you doing? Do you have a business card? Can I get one, please?
So,
What's your name?
Kelsey.
How you doing, Miss Kelsey? I'm Moses.
Okay. So we don't have like plain ones yet.
And it's fine. I just need just a business card for the office. You actually been really sweet. These guys, I don't know why they feel like they have to escort me just because I had a camera, you know. So, and then they tell me I can't come in here. Am I not allowed to come in here?
You can be in here.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
I appreciate you. Just one card. I just get
Well,
the
I was
card.
gonna say I have one for one of our counselors, but I was looking for a supervisor card.
That would have been great, but if you just have this, that's fine. I just wanted to come and say shalom. Okay, you have a beautiful day.
You too.
Bye-bye. That's what's up.
So
She was
when we
nice.
were driving. You know, like I said.
She was nice. She said I can be in there.
Yeah, no.
You just
And
said I couldn't go in there.
No, each office is different.
Come on, yo.
So if they say something.
What was your name one more time? Crow.
Everybody-
These are public offices.
I understand that.
So listen,
before you enter here, though, you got to understand there are people taking tests.
I understand that.
And this is Missouri State Highway Patrol.
I understand
so
that.
if they ask you to leave,
They can't say that.
if they do,
Go ahead.
just asking you to be respectful because there are people taking tests. Okay. And that's the thing. I mean,
Here, I hope we don't make this a big deal. I'm
don't
just
want
coming
to.
in here, getting a couple shots.
no, I don't
like,
want to make
somebody
it, so-
can't just ask me to leave though. This is a public building. I have to commit a crime.
But this is driver's testing.
That's fine. I'm not gonna say that to
If
nobody.
you're not here for
Let's
testing.
just lower our voice and just walk in and just.
Yeah, no. And I'm just trying to say. Hey,
Oh yeah. What if ain't nobody in there?
If they ask, no, there are people in here.
Okay.
If they ask that you leave, just please be respectful of that.
And decline.
Because there are people taking their test. Testing when we do a fire drill.
Okay, I'm not gonna say that.
That's the only point I'm trying to say.
Yes.
So,
Okay.
okay,
Come on.
cool. Just fly ahead.
You the only one talking. How you doing? Do you have a business card, sir?
A business card?
Please.
I don't have one on me.
Do you just have one for the office then? Maybe.
No, that's what I was looking for. Do we have business cards here?
Not here, but we can use it.
Or you can just write it down for me, just a name and maybe the number to the office here.
Okay.
Okay. What was your name, sir? I'm Moses.
Moses.
How you doing, sir? Here, let me shake your hand. Yes, sir.
Alright, let's see. If you don't mind.
And what was your name?
Tracy.
How you doing, Tracy? I'm Moses.
Nice
I'm
to meet
Moses.
you.
I got my gloves on. It's freezing out.
I saw a little bit of sun earlier, so
Oh,
it made me think maybe it's a couple degrees.
It barely did. I actually just left the tea shop around the corner.
Oh,
That was really good.
Was it good?
The
I
ladies
don't know
in
that
there-
I've ever been to it.
It was really nice. It was way cheaper, way affordable than I thought. Like a cup of coffee was like $2.50.
Hey, that's not
Where?
bad,
Come on.
considering if you went to Starbucks, you know,
Yes,
it'd be quite a bit of money.
I love the town though. It give you that like old ancient feel when I'm just walking around down here. Before I get out of here, is there anywhere local you would recommend me get something to eat at?
There used to be a shop that was really good, Boudreaux's, but I think they're in the.
Is it local, like a mom, like an owner?
Yeah, it's like Cajun kind of food.
Okay.
I like that.
I love that.
Yeah.
I love that.
So are you from this area?
No, I'm not.
No.
I'm not. I'm just really just passing through and
Okay.
just coming to meet you guys. I find out what you guys do here. I disseminate that to the public because some people don't know what you have available in these offices. And then you got these gentlemen. They're gonna rush you and escort you wherever you need to go. So
Okay. Yeah, we do written and driving tests here for people to get their licenses. And,
Is it all ages or just younger?
well, when you're 15 is when you can apply for a permit here in Missouri.
Okay.
And then when you're 16, when you've held your permit at least 6 months and you're 16, then we can
Yes,
test.
ma'am. I believe it's 18 in Kansas.
Is it
I think they
18?
have to be 18 years old to
Get a license.
Well, I'm about to get out of here. Y'all.
Okay.
All right. I didn't get that paper. I didn't get the number you wrote down for me. I'm sorry.
That's okay. I got sidetracked.
Yeah, we got the talk. You got it.
This is driver's examination office. This is state building. This is the address. St. Joe, our phone number.
At the conclusion of this situation, as you can see, there were positive reactions from staff when the citizen exercised their basic rights. However, there were also unnecessary responses from security personnel and the building supervisor. This underscores the importance of audits like these, raising awareness, especially among government employees, about understanding and respecting citizens' rights. And that's the end of today's video. These moments weren't just for entertainment. They are real-life lessons on citizens' rights. If you found anything useful, don't hesitate to share it with those around you. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel so we can continue bringing you these awakening justice moments. Justice doesn't happen automatically. It requires you to take action.